Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make 2 quick, easy, and super refreshing agua frescas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our agua fresca de piña. And to make sure that your pineapple is nice and sweet, just make sure that it is nice and vibrant. Peel it. Okay, so once we have peeled our pineapple, now we're just going to chop it into large chunks and transfer it to your blender cup. Okay, and once we have our pineapples in our blender cup, now we can get ready to make our agua fresca. Okay, now to our pineapples, we're also going to be adding our fresh mint. We're going to be adding a little bit of sugar. Now, of course, depending on how sweet you want your agua fresca, it depends on how much you're going to add. And we're just going to be blending with our water, so not just blending too smooth. Alright, so once we have that, now we can get ready to transfer it to our jar. Okay, and before you transfer it, make sure you strain it. Pour it into your jar. Alright, so just make sure to strain a couple times if needed. But once we have that, we're just going to finish it up with our water. And here I'm going to be adding some diced pineapple. You can also add mint, but I like to add that 1 serving. And just top it up with our ice. But just like that, we have our super easy and refreshing agua fresca de piña. Alright, so now to make our agua fresca de Sandía, we're going to need a small watermelon. And for me, these are easier to pick. They're always sweet. So we're just going to begin by peeling it. See, remove the ends. And now just go around it and remove the skin. Okay, so once we have peeled our watermelon, now we're just going to chop it into small pieces and transfer it to your blender cup. Okay, so as we have our watermelon in our blender cup, we can now get ready to make our agua fresca. Okay, now to our blender cup, we're also going to be adding our mint leaves, a little bit of sugar, and we're going to be blending with our water. Okay, not just blending too smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we can transfer it to our jar and just strain if needed. All right, so as we have that, we're just going to add the rest of our water, add our fresh watermelon, and top it with some ice. And just like that, we have our delicious agua fresca de Sandía. Alright guys, and just like that, we can now get ready to serve and enjoy. Now let me tell you that I hope you give these agua frescas a try. These are seriously the best. The 2 agua frescas that you need all this summer long, because they are seriously super refreshing. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so good. And the mint, it adds a little hint, makes it so good. My 2 favorite for sure. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make 2 of my favorite agua frescas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.